Hi, my name is Sam, a spray product engineer here at Spraying Systems Company. Today, I'm going to demonstrate proper part replacement on a 23L GunJet spray gun. To begin, we're going to need an adjustable wrench, a pair of pliers, and an AA23L repair kit. The AA23L repair kit comes with replacements for the cup packing, the valve seat, the mainspring, and the main stem assembly. Let's start by carefully disassembling the spray gun by first removing the lock nut with an adjustable wrench. Next, slide the inlet body forward, lifting the trigger guide up off the trigger rivet and set aside. Then, unhook the trigger guard and move it outside of the handle for easy removal of the spring screw and the main spring. Using the adjustable wrench, remove the spring screw to access the main spring. The spring stud can remain in place. At this point, the main spring can be replaced and the spring screw reassembled back into the handle. Be sure that the spring stud is in place. Thread first by hand to avoid cross-threading. Next, refit the trigger guard back inside of the handle. On the inlet body assembly, remove the trigger guide using a pair of pliers to grip the main stem assembly and set aside. On the inlet body assembly, remove the tip retainer for access to the spray tip, valve seat, and for removal of the main stem assembly. Using the adjustable wrench, remove the packing screw for access and replacement of the cup packing. Then remove the main stem assembly and the cup packing. Slide the new main stem assembly inside of the inlet body and install the new cup packing. Then, using the adjustable wrench, tighten the packing screw back onto the inlet body. Reinstall the trigger guide. Then, install the new valve seat, the spray tip, and the tip retainer. And with the adjustable wrench, tighten the tip retainer. Carefully reinsert the assembly back into the handle. The trigger guard may need to be pulled down to allow insert of the inlet body. Tighten the lock nut. Your parts replacement is now complete. To learn more about the 23L GunJet or our other spray guns in our GunJet product line, call 1-800-95-SPRAY or visit spray.com.